Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. This is a 4 hour chart of Euro USD, and as we can see that there is not much movement on the chart. Okay, as expected, the volume of the market has gone down. The volatility of the market has reduced because of the Christmas and New Year. And in the coming days also, especially for the next 10 days, okay, we can expect the market to remain like this only, because when there is very less volume in the market usually remains flat. In special circumstances, sometimes market also shows unexpected spikes, and right now we can see the market is flat. Market is in a holiday mode right now. If you look at the chart of DXY is still trading inside the wedge here, and I don't think so that DXY will be going for a trend reversal, because for a trend reversal or a proper breakdown, market needs volume, and if there is no volume in the market, then obviously breakout will be very difficult. So right now in this scenario, when there is less volume in the market and the volume will reduce further by tomorrow, day after tomorrow, so market should remain within the range of 104 on the upside and 103 on the downside. Okay, sorry, 104.90. Okay, 104.90 to 105 on the upside and 103 on the downside. This is the range for DXY right now, and DXY should remain within this range only if there is no sudden news in the market. And on the chart of Euro USD, we can see that there's not much movement, and on the 1 hour time frame, on the 1 hour time frame, we can see market forming more or less a symmetrical triangle kind of a pattern. Again, not very beautiful pattern, okay, kind of symmetrical triangle pattern. So yes, there's a possibility that a move may come soon. Okay, so as a result, try to avoid taking any position right now, or if you're holding any buy position already, then just wait and watch, because one thing we can clearly see, that market is still respecting the trend line, though the market has that respected the trend line too many times. And as we all know, if we find market testing a level too many times, then we should be careful. But still market is lying flat. Though market does not have momentum, but still it is respecting the trend line. So if you're holding buy position, be on the trade, no need to exit with proper stop loss. Okay, and what you can do is you can just wait and watch. Okay, wait and watch, because of this symmetrical triangle kind of a pattern on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, a small breakout, okay, small breakout may come soon. I'm not saying that the breakout will be of let's say 100 200 pips. Okay, there may be a small breakout of 40 50 60 pips. Okay, if that comes, you can consider taking a buy position on the chart of Euro USD. For additional confirmation, you can also check DXY. If DXY starts falling, obviously it should go for a rise. Okay, but try to book your profits after 50 60 pips, because this is not a market that will reward you with 200 300 pips. Okay, you need to be flexible according to the market situation. And secondly, as market has already witnessing low momentum right now, so in this scenario we sometimes see market also breaking the support and going down, because to continue the present structure of the market, what is the structure here? The structure is market forming higher highs and higher lows. So to continue the present structure of the market here, market needs to break the previous high here. And right now we can see there's very low momentum in the market, so market may start falling as well. Market may show some correction as well, because whenever market fails to break the previous high, we usually see market changing the character. Okay, so if that happens, then yes, market may start falling. Market may break the trend line, which is acting as dynamic support, and it may head towards the support zone around 1.0500. 1.0500 is the first support, and 1.0430 is the second support on the chart of Euro USD. And already you can see the reason behind considering 1.0500. It is because of previous price rejection around this area, as well as Fibonacci 23.6% retracement level. Secondly, 1.0430 on because of the previous price rejection again around this area, as well as 200 moving average coming up. Okay. So I think if market fails or if market falls, if euro USD shows correction, then these two support level will come for the rescue. If market takes support, observe the market. If you see market forming a hammer taking support, market showing good price rejection from below, you will get a confirmation that yes, market is taking support, and you can consider taking a buy position. In this scenario, there's a high possibility, high chance of market taking support, and you can definitely go for a buy position. I'd say, though market does not have momentum volatility right now, but still market is trading in the trend line. So if you are holding any buy position with proper stop loss, okay, you can be on the trade. No need to exit, because on the 1 hour time frame we can see resemblance of a symmetrical triangle pattern. So yes, a breakout, small breakout, minor breakout may also come. Okay. This is it. Hopefully you have understood. If you have liked the video, okay, then you can subscribe to my channel. And anyways, please follow proper risk management. This is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. No trader is 100% accurate, so please be careful. Bye bye. Take care.